Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can shoot in FIFA 23. Okay, so first of all you have to check on which button you have to tap to take a shot, and you can tap on the options button. It will be highlighted in this controller that you see on the screen. You can go for the button help when you are on the practice arena. If you don't know how to enter, just check tutorial on our video channel, and as you can see, as a default it's linked to the wheel. So I have to press wheel to take a shot. Take a look, I'm running into the goal, click and hold. After a few moments release, and we can easily score goals with HardReset on the practice arena. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you want to customize these options, you can just go for the settings. I'm talking of course of the controller settings. So we have to go for the customize settings, customize controls, go for the right side, and here you can link or unlink buttons to each action. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.